5 killed in Hanover road crash. A two-vehicle collision in Opel, Hanover on Sunday night, May the 20th, have left 5 people dead. Reports are that about 10 p.m., 2 Toyota Corolla motorcars traveling in opposite direction collided along the Orchard Main Road in Opel, close to a gas station. 5 passengers in one of the vehicles suffered multiple injuries and died instantly. The 2 occupants in the other car was rushed to hospital. The car in which the 5 persons who died were traveling was extensively damaged. 4 of the 5 people who died in Sunday night's crash have been identified. The 5 died after leaving a party in Negril, Westmoreland. They were heading to their homes in St. James. Among the deceased are Javon Morris of Quarry District, Glendavon, Philip Jones, Nicholas French, and Joseph Brown of Green Pond. The lone female occupant who died is yet to be identified. One of the 2 survivors have been identified as footballer Jerdane Fletcher, a former Cornwall College standout striker. According to a source close to Fletcher, he was admitted in the Savanna-la-Mar public hospital, where he was said to be recovering well. Unconfirmed reports indicated that he was unconscious after the collision. Fletcher enjoyed an outstanding 2016 schoolboy football season, in which he walked away with the coveted Golden Boot award. He subsequently got called up to the national football squad, but was dropped after falling out of grace with the coaches, reportedly due to inadequate fitness levels. Fletcher also represented Montego Bay United Football Club in the Red Stripe Premier League. In response to news of the collision, the Jamaica Football Federation (JFF) in a tweet wished the young footballer a speedy recovery.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.